Hi! We've all wanted to bring our favorite games to life. Now that we have the beautiful masterpiece called a Minecraft movie, let's see if we can bring some of that perfection into our world. I snuck up onto the set and nicked not one, but 2 items for a little glow up. Just as they say, prepare for trouble and make it double. Ooh, wait, that's the wrong thing. Anywho, let's start with the torch. So we have the torch and a USB-C cable. Oh well, that was underwhelming. Let's take a look at the potion lamp then. Inside we have the lamp and a micro USB cable, so yeah, it's even worse than before. At least the box looks nice. Anticlimactic unboxing aside, all we really want is to have some of that gamer energy on the desk, right? Let's see if you're gonna be able to shove it next to your tissue box. The torch is 5.5 by 5.5 by 28 centimeters and the bottle is 17.5 by 12 by 5.5 centimeters. Here's a mean pickle for comparison. Not gonna lie, I expected this to be bigger. So, as you'd expect, it's made of cheap plastic, but it's not that bad. I don't really like the colors of the wooden part though, it's too greenish yellow for my taste. One cool thing you can do with it is to do something like this to hang the torch on the wall. Unfortunately, there was supposed to be a wall mount in the package, but I guess I'll have to use some screws or double-sided sticky tape. Okay, so here's what we've all been waiting for. Let's press the button and light it up. We can cycle through a few different colors: standard yellow, redstone red, soul torch blue, and tungsten chloride green. Alright, let's check your feedback from the last video. Chance Harper wrote, "Everything feels and looks good, dare I say premium," he said while wearing gloves to handle the object. Yes, I very much trust in your statement. You know who else wears white gloves? These guys. I trust them with my life. Now I'm slightly more interested in this one. It's plastic that scratches like hell, so keep that in mind. But the shape is really cool. It reminds you of all these times you prepared tons of potions for the battle with the Ender Dragon, but in the end not using any of them. So let's use the switch at the bottom to see what it looks like. But how are you gonna change the colors, I hear you asking? You have a few options. All good potions require mixing, so you can just shake it. Alternatively, if you have a misbehaving pickle on hand, you can show him who's in charge. Alright, back on track. The colors are blue slowness, light blue water breathing, cyan swiftness, green oozing, orange fire resistance, yellow leaping, red healing, and white invisibility. I don't really like that, but it will turn the light off after some time, but when you tap it to turn it on, it also changes the color. Despite their flaws, I think these lamps are pretty interesting. Sure, they're not the best quality and have some annoyances, but still. If you're someone who can't live without a few blocks in life, these are perfect. While I'm giving them a solid weak panda out of 10, you can leave us up for more real-life gaming items. Which lamp do you prefer? The torch, potion, or both? Let me know in the comments down below. See ya!